This video is for those who want to earn money through publishing their own written and published ebooks. Using these methods will undoubtedly increase your earnings. Watch the video to learn how to make the best passive income. Number 1. Consult with your audience first. As you would when creating a new product, you should start by determining precisely what your target market wants and is willing to pay you for. Create a poll, a blog post with a series of questions, a Twitter conversation, or a Facebook discussion. No matter how you go about it, the goal is to learn about your readers' problems and then come up with solutions to those problems. Number 2. Find out who's competing. Knowing what people want is the first step in doing competitive research and optimizing the title of your ebook for maximum keyword density. Is this a hot subject for recent ebooks? Who are the best-selling items in this category? Are there any Amazon categories they use? How much are they asking for? You may use this information to fine-tune your ebook idea. Don't try to create an ebook in a vacuum. Number 3. Keeping it shorter is always a good idea. A single ebook can't possibly contain all of your content. It's better to divide it up into many. Indeed, Amazon is currently punishing shorter ebooks and author payments. More prolonged ebooks are more successful in retaining readers, although shorter ebooks, particularly in nonfiction, are still preferred. Number 4. Publish a book series. It's simpler to sell a sequel to an earlier ebook than any other product. Do you want to know how you will get the new one sold? The hundreds more purchases will be done once you emailed everyone who had purchased the first one. Easy. Number 5. Less expensive is always better. You will almost always make more money by selling lower-priced ebooks. Anything costing more than $3.99 will be challenging to find on Amazon. It is essential to remember that although ebooks are a paid product, they are seldom a big moneymaker in the near term. It's common practice for ebook retailers to price their products cheap to get customers into their sales funnel and offer more expensive services like consultation and premium courses. Unless you're a famous celebrity with a built-in following eager to purchase everything you put out, selling a $79 ebook as your primary source of income will be difficult. Number 6. Use your content in new ways. People don't mind if you recycle. Various customers prefer different media, and ebooks are one of those types. You don't have to start from the beginning while writing. Number 7. Work as a team. For ebooks, yes, collaborators are a great tool. The power of well-selected media cannot be overstated. Making more ebooks quicker by working with others is a significant benefit of collaboration. Number 8. Write several books at a time. The quickest strategy to increase your ebook sales is to release a new one. Your readers should stop republishing the same old ebook and focus on a new one. A brand new ebook pick is the interest of potential customers, who may then go on to purchase your more senior titles. It's also possible to arrange bundle sales of numerous books at a discount if you have more than one ebook. This has proven to be one of my most popular ebook promotion methods. Number 9. Bring up to date your ebook collection. Additionally, you may redesign the cover of an older ebook or change the content and release a whole new edition to re-energize sales. Number 10. Put money into the design. You may make up for a smaller audience and seem more successful with a better quality ebook design. Our change-a-link services and goods are impressive, so if you're looking for a one-stop shop, you should check them out. You'll save time and work if you find some self-publishing success stories and follow their lead. Number 11. Take part in activities. Once again, everyone, consider working together. You should link up with 5 to 10 other writers instead of attempting to sell your ebook on your own. No matter how you do it, make sure you do it with a group of people. As a result, a significantly larger audience may be reached by combining your individual mailing lists. Number 12. Make a plan and stick to it. Before you create, price, or sell your ebook, know what you want it to do. You'll write, design, and sell it differently if it's your $1 tripwire than if it's designed to be your cash cow. Several writers utilize their ebooks to establish themselves as experts in their fields and obtain lucrative speaking engagements. You may make much more money if your ebook is only the tip of a sales iceberg of connected products and services. Number 13. Template for creating articles. Within the pages of your book, you have the opportunity to make money. Include a free ebook before the table of contents in your ebooks. As a result, it will appear in Amazon. Look inside the book snippet, allowing potential customers to see more of your work. Your ebooks and papers should be updated whenever you add new goods. By now, your reader has shown themselves to be a reliable customer, making it more likely that they will make further purchases from you in the future. Number 14. To sell, you have to pre-sell. Preparation is the key to successful ebook sales. When creating an ebook, there is no such thing as starting too early. Your manuscript, cover options, and subject should be discussed on social media. Publish blog entries related to the subject matter. Discounts for pre-ordering are an excellent incentive for readers. Get the word out before the big day. Currently, most of my ebook sales revenue comes from pre-orders. You'll also have a list of individuals who have already read the book, which you can contact on release day to ask if they'd mind leaving a review on Amazon. Number 15. The new free 99 cents. In the wake of the exclusive, free Kindle Direct Publishing promo ebook launch, many writers have fallen in love. QuickBooks and the like will be paid hundreds to advertise their freebie offer. Free giveaways, in my opinion, are a waste of time and energy, particularly for blogs with a small following. It's true that following a complimentary event, you may see a bump in sales, but the effect is short-lived. Downloads soar, and you're overjoyed that word of your work is getting out. You may easily make $300 if you encourage people to pay for your ebook instead of giving it out for free. Self-publishing writers are telling about this for a long time now. This is a method that previously worked but no longer works since the ebook industry has become overcrowded. The KDP freebie event doesn't lead to many purchases. What's the problem? Because those who download for free are not purchasers. They are parasites. As a result, their downloads have little value. The 99-cent offer is a better option. If you follow the following advice, you will be able to attract a significant number of suitable purchasers. Number 16. Capture buyer email addresses. Amazon's biggest drawback is that you don't know who your customers are. You will not get a list of prior customers to sell the next ebook or class. By excluding anything from your ebook, you may force them to visit your website and provide their email address to acquire it. Fillable workbooks are allowing readers to jot down notes and design their own action plans based on the advice in the book. Another method for determining who your customers are. Number 17. Keep all of your earnings. It's easier to sell an ebook if you do it on your own site, to your own audience, and you retain all the money. Your specialized audience is what you developed for, so you can sell straight to customers and not rely on Amazon's algorithms to make money. Bundle sales and special discounts available to everyone else are not allowed on Amazon. This is a horrible location to launch a new book. You must reward your readers and make them feel special when purchasing. Keeping them on your list should feel like they're receiving the inside scoop and that it's worth it. If they do, they will keep buying. Instead of handing someone a free copy of your book, you may just direct them to Amazon. Amazon would not have allowed me to make close to $50,000 selling these ebooks. They eat up too much of your profits. I have provided you with the information in this video to help you learn about the most effective ways to make money by writing and publishing your own ebook. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you don't miss out on any new content. Let us know if you found this video helpful or if you have any questions about how to make money in the comments section below.